do we create a monitoring item within Addigy? Right? So we spoke about maintenance, which is more proactive. Monitoring is going to be more reactive. This is where our alerts come into play, right? So if I click new here, I'll call this alert Gatekeeper disabled. I want to know which machines have Gatekeeper disabled, right? And Gatekeeper essentially is what controls where these apps are being installed from. Are they from an identified and trusted developer? So, important security feature, right? With device facts, I'll select Gatekeeper enabled equals false. So if we look at the logic here, what is it saying? It's going to alert me to any machine that does not have Gatekeeper enabled. I'll give it a category of security, and I'll send a notification to my email. All right. There's the ability to include remediation, but let me just save right now. Right? So there's a basic standard monitoring alert. I will be alerted to any machine that has Gatekeeper disabled. But how can I fully automate this by remediating the alert? Well, I can go into my community, scripts, and let's search up enable Gatekeeper, right? What this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and enable the Gatekeeper feature. And I didn't have to make this from scratch. I pulled this from the community. Go into catalog, monitoring. There's my Gatekeeper disabled alert, but I want to go ahead and add remediation here. So within automated remediation, I'll select enable remediation. And within script, enable Gatekeeper. And now we have a fully automated monitoring alert. I'm alerted to Gatekeeper being disabled, and I have a remediation script ready to go to enable Gatekeeper.